Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how you can fix temporary blocked on Messenger. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to fix it. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated the application to the latest version. Basically, when your Messenger is blocked, you won't be able to receive an update, neither you'll be able to send an update to another person. In simple language, it means that you won't be able to use Messenger application. In order to fix it, what you have to do is you'll have to open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're using the Facebook account that is linked with your Messenger. Once you open up your Facebook, so then tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner. The next page, you will be directed into menu. So over here, scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on help and support, which is in the second last option. Next, you'll have to tap on report or problem. So now you'll have to scroll down and then tap on continue to report or problem, which is right at the bottom. The next page, there are multiple options. So then you'll have to scroll down and then tap on messages. On the other page, you'll have to submit a report. So over here, you can even add screenshot if you have. In case if you don't have the screenshot, so then tap on describe the issue right on top. Now you'll have to type in the report. So then you can type in the report as my Messenger is blocked for no reason. Please unblock it. And after you're done, tap on the arrow icon in the top right corner. And after that, your report is submitted. So all you have to do is you'll have to wait patiently for them to reply. And after that, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you can fix temporary block on Messenger. That's it for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.